Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now I am, as I promised in the haul video that I showed you guys this in, and I'll just put a card up in the corner. I promised that I would swatch these on camera so that you guys can get an idea of the texture, the tone, the vibrancy, you know, of the pigments of the Jane Davenport Drama Sticks. And so it's probably been a couple of weeks since I picked this up, because I think I bought this, when did I buy this? My birthday? I had to, because, yeah, my birthday. It's been about a couple weeks, yeah. So anyways, so they came in this tin, little pencil sharpener there, and in the box, along with the 7 pencils, is this cute little artwork that you can obviously fill in with the drama sticks. And on the flip side of that is the making faces, mixed media, Ocean Eye, which is, I think, the color palette, drama stick, swatch card, okay? And so I'm going to use that to make sure that I have a reference, you know, to use in the future. I don't have nails, so let me see if I can find something to pull these out with. All right, so this one is Watching You. Okay, they're in order. And so at first, oh, does it even need a pencil sharpener? The exterior of the pencil feels plastic, but they gave a pencil sharpener, so let's just assume that you can. It's not going to roll up, I don't think. But who knows? If I find out differently, I'll let you guys know. Oh, let me see if this is water soluble. And I didn't even get a chance to do the research. Let me just check and see. Let's see. Off to the side. And I'm just gonna use this. This is a different type of card stock. This is just some card. On the other side of this is this. Let me just see. Oh my gosh. Let's see how that. So it smudges really well. Oh my word. But it has a waxy feel to it. So I don't think that it's water soluble. I may be wrong, but we shall see. You think I would have a paper towel or something handy. I don't. But let's just see. Get that wet. Is there any water coming out of this thing? Oh, here we go. It's wicking. The water's finally wicking down. All right. So no, this is not water soluble. Once you put it down, it's there. So I'm curious to know, you know, what the application use is for it. You think I would have looked at that before I came on camera, but needless to say, it's a cross between, it doesn't even feel like any makeup that I've tried. It feels like, kind of like how clay, not Play-Doh, but clay feels. That's what that kind of feels like. All right, so then we're going to use the Make Me Cry. My hands are so dry because I've been washing them a lot. My hands, for some reason or the other, have, oh, that's pretty. Now this is more of a deeper blue, a bluish turquoise. And again, I am really curious how this is used, like in mixed media. If I find a link to a video for good reference, I'll drop it down in the description box. But again, I haven't done the research, so forgive me. All right, so let's see with... And if you have any of these drama sticks, drop down in the description box and let me know how you use these. Let me just take a look and see real quick if I can find anything on YouTube. Drama Sticks, Jane Davenport. Okay, let's see what we got come up with here. And I don't think that these are blendable either, so I'm just curious. As it does, this one didn't smudge as well, so I don't know if this is, you know. At this point, I'm reviewing the product while I swatch it. Let's see. And let me turn the volume down so I can just jump ahead and see how she's using it. So that was Careful Creature. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is something that I would actually, unless there's some different way to utilize these. They seem a little bit, look at that. They seem a little bit messy. And this one's a little bit smoother. So I don't know if there's a coating on the outside of it that, oh, see, now this one smudges a lot easier, but these two colors were not so easy to do. And look at that. So I can imagine that these will probably be wonderful to blend with. But okay, so I'm looking at her video. I'm trying to see how she is using them. And I got to get some of this off, this purple off of here. She's mixing them. She's mixing them on the palette. So let's continue on with this one, Smolder. And yeah, this one's a little bit different than again, I think the other one might have been a little bit dried out. Wait a minute. Okay, I don't have any other clean fingers. All right, so I think this is meant to be used on canvas. That's what I'm looking at from her. So I'm really not, I will definitely find another way to use it because I'm not a canvas artist. I don't see myself, yeah, I think you use these in a similar fashion as you would alcohol inks on paper when you're coloring. But I don't think that this is sparkle. So this is a white. And as you can see, the color is coming off. But let's just see if we can blend these two colors. Which finger did I do that with? Okay. Let's see. Oh my word. It's kind of like trying to move plastic. And I wonder how it would be if I heated it up. Yeah, no, these are definitely not made for, I think you'd have to have a primed surface, and to be honest with you, this surface is pretty smooth. So and then at the same time, this doesn't dry. So I think it, while it wouldn't move with water, I'm afraid that it's okay. So it says, add a little messy drama to your artwork with Jane's smudgeable waterproof sticks. They're smooth, all paint-like smudgeability is slow setting for maximum creative options. So what that tells me is that, and I only know this because I watched a few Tim Holtz videos, is that this is meant to be laid down and played with for a little bit. And after a while, as it sets, it's going to dry and be less movable, or should I say more permanent. That being said, I think the differences in mediums is going to determine the speed in which it dries, as well as how far out you have smudged it. So like this one's still pretty tacky. That one's dried a little bit, but that was the first one. This one's going to be a while because it didn't smudge at all. And then, and this one is completely dry, but I didn't put a lot down. And I smudged it out pretty well. So I'm sure I can find a use for these, and I will because I paid for them. And, you know, I'm too cheap to let them go to waste. But for all it's worth, if you are not like a mixed media, oil paint, you know, type of enthusiast, then this might not be a medium for you. But if you are looking to venture out and add to your repertoire or your art supply, or you know, you play on canvas and those type of textures, then give these a try. I found these again at Tuesday morning. I saw them on Amazon for $38, $36, and it says here compare estimated value $18.99, but they had them there for $5.99. So either which way, I got them at Tuesday morning for $5.99, which is a whole lot cheaper than less expensive for those who don't like the word cheap. For those, it was a whole lot less expensive than buying it online or in one of the craft stores. So anyways, guys, I hope that this video has helped you determine whether or not the Jane Davenport Making Faces Mixed Media Drama Sticks are for you. And if so, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy you know, exploring different mediums, DIYs, reviews, demos, hauls, and paper crafting, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other crafty uploads, and so that you will be notified once you hit that bell of every little thing I got going on here, y'all. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Oh, don't forget to wear your masks and wash your hands and check in on your neighbors and your elderly. Be good to yourself, and bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.